Hello students and welcome to my channel Maths App. So today in this video we'll talk about some fractional questions and the topic is very interesting, magic with maths, right? So let us see that how the fractions are being performed. So my request is that I've already delivered two more talks on this topic. So do watch those videos so that you have a clear understanding about the next one, right? So we have to find out the answer to this fraction 2 plus this term. So you have seen in my previous videos that we are basically dealing with this type of fraction 1 upon this whole thing, right? So how to deal with this, and then we will come to what is the total answer to this fraction. So first of all, what we will do, we will see the last continued fraction, that is 1 and 5. So we'll write here 1 and 5 and let us see how many terms are written over here. So we have 2 here, we have 3 here, 1 and then 2. That means there are 4 spaces. So we'll put here 4 blanks, right? So after putting 4 blanks, let us try to find out the answer to this fraction. So before I find out the answer to this fraction, you have seen that it is not 1, but there are some multiples of 1. So let us try to write the multiples. So we'll start from the back. So we'll write the first multiple over here. Then we will write the next multiple, that is 3. Then the next multiple is 1 and the next multiple is 2. Let us multiply them. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Right? 3 into 11 is 33. 33 plus 5 is 38. 38 into 1 is 38. 38 plus 11. Add the previous term. So you will get here 49. Then 49 multiplied by 2 is 9 twos are 18, 1, 98. And then we add 38 over here. So the previous term is 38. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 1, 136. So we get here 136. Now how to write the answer? If the question was just to find out this part, the one that I've written over here, then your answer would be 49 upon 136. But since it is written 2 plus something, so we'll just revert it and your final answer will become 136 divided by 40. Right? Okay. So let's try to the next problem. So the next problem is very interesting. You can see that in the previous questions, either all the terms were with plus sign or they were with minus sign. Now we have a successive plus and a minus, or every plus minus is having an alternate sign. So how to deal with these fractions? So first of all, we'll start from 1 and 3 and then let us see how many places we have 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let us put here 5 blanks, 3, 4 and 5. So how to fill these blanks? We'll start from the bottom. So we have a plus over here. So the first term we will be adding it. 3 plus 1 is 4. After doing this plus, we have the next minus. So we will now subtract it. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then we have a plus sign, so we will successively add. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then we have a minus sign, so we will subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then we have a plus sign, so we will add now. 4 plus 5 is 9. So what is your answer? So again, you can see that it is 1 plus this term, right? So 1 plus this term, that means you have to write the answer in the reverse form. So your answer will become 9 by 4, right? So according to the signs, alternatively, we are adding and subtracting from the previous terms. And if the answer was this, your answer would be 4 by 9. But now it is 1 plus the fraction. So your answer is 9 by 4 now, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. So the next problem is this. So it's again very interesting. In all other fractions, you were seeing that these terms were all 1, isn't it? So now it is some other multiple of 1. So how to deal with these terms? So first of all, we will start with the last fraction. So we will write here 4 and 5. And now let's count how many places we have 1. There are 3 places 1. So we'll put 3 blank spaces over here. And now very interesting and very important thing to note down, how to do it. All the terms are with plus sign. So we will first add them. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now, these multiples which are written over here, you need to divide with these terms. So the first term is 3, you will divide here. 9 by 3 is 3, right? Now you will add 3 and 5, it is 8, and now you will divide it by 2, so your answer is 4. And now you will add 4 and 3, your answer is 7. So your fraction will become 4 by 7. I'm again repeating it, it's very interesting. First of all, you'll start with the last fractional term, that is 4 and 5. You'll add them, you'll get your answer as 9. But since it is not 1 over here, so we will divide with these terms. If you remember, if it is any multiple of 1, we'll multiply the fractions we were writing at the top and we were multiplying them and then adding. Now, if instead of 1, if I have some other multiple of 1 over here, we will divide with that term. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. We will now add 3 and 4. So that is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now we will add them. 4 and 3 is 7. So your fraction becomes 4 by 7. Right? So now let's move on to this question. So it's a mix and match of all other terms that we have been doing so far. So now intelligently let's start with the problem. So we have 4 comma 5, then 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. So we have 3 spaces over here. And now first of all let us check these terms. They are not all ones, so we have multiples. So let us write the multiples at the top at these positions: 1, 5 and 2. And now we have seen that these terms are also not 1, they are some multiples. So the first term from the bottom we will write at the first place, we will divide by 3, and this we will divide by 2, and then we will write the term, right? So 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Let me again tell you how did I get this. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 1, we'll add the terms. We will get 9. Then 9 divided by this 3, you'll get 3 over here. Multiply 3 and 5, you'll get 15. 3 into 5 is 15. And then add this 5. So 15 plus 5 is 20. Now 20 divided by this 2 is 10. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20, and then you add this 3 to it, you'll get 23. Again, you can see the fraction is not this, it is 2 plus. So your answer will become 23 by 10. So your answer is 2.3. Right? Okay. So this is your exercise. You need to perform this question and you need to let me know what is the answer in the comment section. Do try this problem and let me know the answer. And thank you so much for listening to me. And those of you who have liked my video, do hit the like button. And those of you who have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel to get the latest updated video, which will help you for your competitive exams. And believe in yourself and you will definitely succeed. Have a nice day.